Whether it's your first payslip or you're currently working, it's important as a newcomer to understand how your pay is worked out. As an international student, we are privileged that we can work while we're studying. And in this video, we are going to tackle our payslips. Hey, my name is Coach MC. I'm here again for another Friday video, and my mission is to help you aspiring international student with an easy and actionable guide towards your Canadian dream. If you're with me, make sure that you subscribe and of course, smash the like button. Again, in this video, we are going to talk about your payslips and what are the important information on your payslip that you need to understand while you're working as a student. And as international student, you are only allowed to work 20 hours a week while you're studying. You can work more than that if you're on a scheduled break like summer break or holiday or reading week. And if you know how to read your payslips, you will be able to understand or identify if you have already violated the 20-hour rule. So I'm going to give you 3 important key points to understand on your payslips. So let's get started. Number 1 key point that I want you to know that some people are allowed to work more than 20 hours a week. Yes, it's contradicting to my first statement, but hear me out. So you can work 20 hours a week, more than 20 hours a week if you're working on campus, meaning you work at the library or at the cafe inside the campus, or if you are working, if your job is actually outside of Canada. If your job is outside Canada, that one does not count towards your 20 hours a week. And it's your responsibility as a student to inform your boss or your manager that, hey, I'm going to exceed more than 20 hours a week. Please do not give me extra shift. So you have to avoid it, okay? Next key point that I want you to understand is most people in Canada is getting paid on a bi-weekly basis. So the total hours that you're going to see on your payslip will be 40 hours, not 20 hours. And you also need to know the cut off of your payroll. So are you getting paid from Monday to Sunday? So that's something that you have to understand so that you avoid exceeding your 20 hours a week. Next key point is one of the most common questions that I get from a student, and this is about your overtime or your holiday pay. So basically on your payslips, this would be on a separate line. So enable for the payroll system to calculate your overtime or your holiday, they have to add extra hours apart from your regular hours. So technically, this is not gonna be added into your 20 hours a week. So for the system to calculate your overtime or your holiday, they added an hour on a separate line. So this is not gonna affect your 20 hours a week. I hope that's clear. I want to stop right here. Do you see the importance of what I'm doing right now with you? I'm doing mentorship. I'm sharing with you my experience way back when I was still an international student. This experience will actually, of course, save you and avoid you to any mistakes that you're going to encounter along the way. If you want to get mentored, if you want to get coaching, please do visit our website, studyliveexploreca.com, or visit my description box for more information. And also, as a part-time worker, you are entitled to have a vacation pay. So if you're on a part-time basis, you get paid on like 3% or 2% of your hourly rate. So if you're not getting this, please do ask your employer because you're entitled to have that. Now our next key point is understanding the deduction. You have your gross pay, however, you have also your deductions. First deduction is your employment insurance. So employees and employers are contributing to the employment insurance. You can access this if you got laid off or you file for sick leave or maternity leave. So for employment insurance, you make sure that when you resign, you apply or you get the ROE or the records of employment. You need this when you apply for your EI later on. Next deduction is about your CPP or Canada Pension Plan. percentage of your gross income goes to the CPP, and both employers and employees contribute to the CPP, and combined percentage is for about 9.9. So you can only access your CPP once you retire, or probably if you get disabled. Other deduction is, of course, income tax, and if you have health insurance premiums, or if you have registered savings plan. So this is gonna be actually depending on you, your agreement between you and your employer. And the net pay that you see on your payslip is the actual amount that you're gonna get every payroll. So there you have it. Now you understand your payslip. And I want to ask if you are excited to get your first payslip in Canada. If you are excited, please do leave a comment here. And of course, we are going to talk about in the next video is your pay. Is it enough to pay your tuition fee by just working as a student? So if you're excited to know more about that, please do not forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys! Paalam! Bye!